Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Soundcore Motion Boom Plus Bluetooth speaker. This is a portable speaker with 80 watts booming sound, IP67, waterproof and dustproof with Type-C cable, custom equalizer. Bluetooth is 5.3 outdoor speaker for camping. This speaker has two 30 watts woofers and 10 watts tweeter. Provide 80 watts of stereo sound with real-time enhanced bass provided by Soundcore unique BassUp Technology. Titanium drivers offer all-round epic sound to increase the treble performance of Motion Boom Plus waterproof Bluetooth speaker. This speaker got inbuilt handle and removable strap. You can take your music with you everywhere you go. It has IP67 certification. You will never worry about splash, rain, spill, or dust when using your waterproof Bluetooth speaker. Large capacity and long playing time, 13,400 mAh battery capacity, up to 20 hours of playtime, so you can keep listening for longer. It also features a built-in power bank, so you can give your phone or other accessories a quick power boost at any moment. Use the Soundcore app to stay updated to the latest firmware for optimal performance. So we're going to unbox this, check it out and see what is inside. I hope it will help you to make informed choice. This is the strap. This is the strap here. Information pack and the power cable, Type-C cable, but you need to find adapter to charge this up. Nice, it's very light. Cycle packaging. This is camouflage color, and see what it looks like. The front is metal grill, then at the back is plastic. This is the handle, it's not heavy. At the back here, so at the back you have AUX port and USB at the back. Input for the power cable, USB and AUX. You switch this speaker on and off from this button, and BassUp Bluetooth. Minus is to decrease the volume, the plus is for you to increase the volume. So this goes here. See what it looks like. So to charge this up, you need to find the adapter. So this is Type-C adapter to go with this. So you connect this end to the adapter. Then go at the back, connect this end to input and this in, then plug it on to the socket, and the light is highlighting here, so we need to switch this on. So guys, I want to show you how to connect this speaker and your mobile phone using AUX cable. So you need to take the AUX cable, connect it to your phone, then go at the back and connect the other end to AUX port, and it's in. Select the music you have on your phone.
Light me up, don't you stop, 'cause tonight it's all alright. Show me how you get on down, close my eyes, take me for a ride. Got to be so come and light me up. I still need your fire, baby. I still want you by my side.
If we remove the cable, the audio will no longer be playing. If we connect it again,
Light me up, don't you stop, 'cause tonight it's on the line. Show me how you get on down. Close my eyes, take me for a ride. Got to be so come and light me up.
if you want to have more control with the equalizer, when you connect this speaker using AUX cable, you can only switch BassUp on from the speaker. If you want to have more control, then you need to switch Bluetooth on. So if we select Bluetooth, switch Bluetooth on, and the Bluetooth is on, then you need to connect it, switch Bluetooth on your mobile phone. Then once the Bluetooth is on your mobile phone, then you need to connect the speaker Soundcore Plus, and it's connected via Bluetooth. Once the Bluetooth, you're able to select the equalizer, voice, treble, balance.
I just can't get enough, 'cause I need you right now. Come and light me up. I still need to find you, baby. I still want you by my side. Light me up, let me touch the flame now, baby. I'm your finish line. Come on and ride.
Just gonna remove this and connect this with Bluetooth. Now go to your phone settings. It's connected to the phone via Bluetooth. So one thing I noticed is if you connect this speaker using AUX cable, the audio is low. This speaker is best for you to connect it via Bluetooth. And with Bluetooth, you have option for you to go to the equalizer, go to the Soundcore app and customize the equalizer as you prefer. So this is the Soundcore app. And the speaker is ready. From this, you can adjust the volume. You can pause and play. You can also select equalizer. This is balance, treble, voice, Soundcore signature. Speaker deserves your attention. This is how to hook this up to your mobile phone using AUX cable. Likewise, Bluetooth. Thank you very much indeed, guys, and stay blessed. Thank you. This speaker deserves your attention. It's value for money. Thank you.